Hey, how's it going, everybody? Have you ever been on a job site and you're using your drill driver and taking something apart, and the 5 people before you have used 10 different fasteners? So you go to look for your other size bit and your bag looks like this. So you resort to just dumping it out. Looking for that next bit, and then you remember, oh, it's in my pants pocket at home. Well, I found a solution. Let me show you what it is. So what I found are these bit holders. They'll clip onto any 1/4-inch notch shank, like this. And when you're done with your bit, you put it back in there. These are the types of bits it'll work on. So the way these work is you have a 1/4-inch standard notch shank. Pull it out, stick it in, and it holds it in there. And you're ready for it. Take it out, go to the next size. So you'll never lose a bit. They're all held together with this D-ring. You can take it apart, clip it onto your tool bag, or some other loop that's on your bag. So I found these online. They were like, I think I bought like 8 sets of them. I'll find more uses for them. And there you have it. All organized and ready to work.